Dear students, in this video I'll tell you about your art integrated project in detail. And first of all, you must know that you will prepare a proper file for this project, and on the cover, that means outside the file, you will write down this heading art integrated project class 6th, and you will write down topic also, and your topic for this project is food items. And for this whole project you will use colorful or any kind of assignment sheets, and on the very first page you will write down all these details: your name, class and section, roll number, topic name, and submitted to, that means your teacher name. And in this project these all subjects are included: English, Punjabi, social science, science, maths, drawing and media. You will correlate all these subjects with the same topic, that is food items. First of all, you will write down the definition of food, and this will be the second page of your assignment. And for this whole project you can find information on Google, or you can get help from your science book also, as you have this chapter in your science book. And after writing definition, on the same page you will draw two food items, one from Punjab and one from Andhra Pradesh. As you can see in the picture, this is food of Punjab. You can draw this, or you can choose any other food. In the same way, these two foods are of Andhra Pradesh. You can draw the same food, or you can pick any other food of Andhra Pradesh. And must remember, you are not supposed to paste picture. You must draw with your hand and also color the pictures. Then on second page you will write down importance of food. As you can see in the picture, this is very innovative idea. You can also draw the same, or you can give it any other shape also. That means you can draw any other object using different vegetables or fruits. And remember that you are not supposed to use vegetable or fruits, just draw. And after drawing this kind of picture, you will write down the importance of food. And one page including the picture is sufficient for importance of food. Then on the next page you will write down components of food. As you can see in the picture, they have used circles to write all components of food, and you can use your creativity. You can write down in any way, like you can use petals of flowers to write down components, or in any other form. And then on the next page you will write down the most popular food, only one from Punjab and one from Andhra Pradesh, and you will write down this information in Punjabi language. Okay, you are supposed to write down only the most popular food, like makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is the most popular food of Punjab. Okay, and you will just write down a little bit information about that food. And in the same way you will pick the most popular food of Andhra Pradesh also, and you will write down a little bit information about that food in Punjabi only. Then on the next page you will write down the nutritional value of different food items. You will choose 5 or 7 food items from Punjab and 7 from Andhra Pradesh. You will write down the nutritional value of those food items, and you will write down this in a tabular form. As you can see in the picture, there are some fruits and their nutritional value, and in the same way you are supposed to pick food items, or you can choose fruits or vegetables or any food items from Punjab as well as from Andhra Pradesh, and you will write down the food items separately in a tabular form. And to make this page more attractive, you can draw the vegetables or fruits or food items, whatever you will take for the nutritional value, and you can draw those fruits or vegetables in the same way as you can see in the picture. And then on the next page you will take a political map of India, and in that map you will highlight the map of Punjab and of Andhra Pradesh. That means you will color the both maps. And then you will take 5 food items from Punjab. Okay, you can take fruits as well, and 5 food items from Andhra Pradesh, and you will show that food items with the help of arrows. And then at last you will find out the information that how many people from Punjab and from Andhra Pradesh eat vegetable and fruits, and how many people eat animal food, and how many people eat nuts and seeds. You will find the percentage of each category and you will make a pie chart. As you can see in the picture, this is the chart of China and India, but you are supposed to collect data about Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. And if you will be having any problem in collecting this information, you can ask your maths teacher, and he or she will provide you the information regarding this. So that's all with your project, and do hard work and make your project neat and clean, as you will get proper marks for this project. So at last I would like to tell you again that you are supposed to use assignment sheets for this project, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. That's all. Thank you.